this video, we will show how the salt sensor operates in conjunction with the Aqua Alert app. You will notice that both the control valve display screen along with the Aqua Alert app are showing that there is 100% salt remaining. Over time, as the softener is performing its regeneration and using salt, you'll see that both the display screen as well as the Aqua Alert app are showing a percentage as it drops. Once the salt remaining level hits 0%, you'll see that the control valve display screen is flashing check salt along with a message center saying low salt on the Aqua Alert app. Once you address the situation by placing more salt into the brine tank, the control valve will stop flashing, the Aqua Alert app will show 100% as well as the control valve.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com.